What's going on, stackers? So in this video I want to talk or share 4 different ways that you can actually make money with Amazon. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. So Amazon. There's so much potential and so many different ways that you can actually make money on their platform. And quite a lot of it is passive income as well. So what I'm going to do is share 4 different ways that you can actually do this. And I'm also going to share my favorite way that I'm currently making passive income with Amazon. So the first one is becoming an Amazon affiliate. See, if I remember correctly, Amazon is the biggest affiliate program on the planet, where you can earn up to 12% in commissions. Now the thing is with affiliate marketing on Amazon, it's great because you can actually promote any single product on their platform. So there might be something that you use in your day-to-day life. There might be a blender or something you use, and you could actually get an affiliate link for that and go and promote that. And then anyone who goes through your affiliate link and purchases that product, you make a commission. Now the good thing about Amazon, even if someone went through your link and didn't buy that blender, if they went and spent £3,000 or dollars on a different product, you're still going to make a commission on that because that person is cookied to you through your link. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this link to this page in the description down below if you want to go through and check it out. Now the second way is self-publishing. Now there's 2 different ways that you can go about this, or 3 different ways. You can create non-fiction, fiction, or my favorite one, low and no content books. So a low or no content book is simply things like planners, journals, sketchbooks. We can create this, upload it to Amazon here through KDP, then every time that book sells, Amazon's going to print it on demand and just send you royalties at the end of every month. Now if you're interested in this and you are new to the channel, come over to here, come over to the playlist section, or no, let's go to the home section. And then you're going to see a playlist dedicated just to low and no content book publishing. So you can come through, come here, come and check out this playlist and see if it's right up your alley and see if you'd want to do this. Now me personally, with this, I've generated over $12,000 in royalties within the last 9 months. And this business is pretty easy to do as well. So that's the second way. The third way is through Amazon FBA, so fulfilled by Amazon. So what you're essentially going to do, you're going to do all your research, find products that you want to sell, you find a supplier, get them shipped to Amazon, and then Amazon's going to take care of fulfilling those orders. So this business is semi-passive as well. Quite a lot of people do this because it's highly profitable to do this business. If you want to learn more about this, unfortunately I don't have any on the channel, but simply go to YouTube, type in Amazon FBA, and you're going to find a lot of really useful videos. This is something that I've wanted to do for a while now, but I've focused more on self-publishing low content books. So that is the third way. The fourth way is merch by Amazon. So this is very similar to the Amazon KDP in regards to whenever our product sells, Amazon's going to print it on demand because it's print on demand and then just send you your earnings. So with this is very similar because you have to do lots of niche research, have to create your designs, but all you have to do is upload those designs onto your t-shirt or whatever it is you want to sell, and it's as simple as that. Now the thing is with this, and what I don't like, and this is probably one of the reasons why I don't do merch by Amazon, is because their tiered system. So when you first sign up and you get approved, there's only going to be so many designs that you can upload, and then they have to sell before you can upload any more, and it goes like that through a tiered system. Whereas self-publishing books, there is no tiered system. So now a lot of people are coming from merch over to KDP and creating books because there is no tiered system. So that's the fourth way. Merch by Amazon is highly profitable if you understand how it all works. Out of all of these 4 ways to make money on Amazon, I do suggest self-publishing because you don't really need any skills to do so. When I first started, I had no design skills whatsoever, yet I was able to create over $1,000 per month in royalties. So come and check this out. Again, come over to the channel, go through the playlist and start learning. Now I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.